What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Ahhh Motors. So yeah, guys, today is nothing special. Um, Me and Toolbox are just working on my dad's car. He has an issue with his starter, and it's caused the tronic automatic, so he can't push start this car. So what we need to do is we need to take the starter off. But before we take the starter off, the car needs to go into the air. That we already did so, and yeah, Toolbox is just busy unbolting the starter quickly. It's quite a mission. These newer cars, they tend to have hidden spots, and we can't really get to those spots with the type of tools that we have, but we're going to try to make it work because the starter needs to come off. The car needs to be fixed today. So yeah, guys, I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse, and yeah, guys, but before I do that, this is the car. Yeah, we really got it in the air, as you can see. The Toolbox over there. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be a mission and a half, but yeah, guys, stay with us through the whole process, and we might just explain to you what we did. So this is what the previous mechanics did, what we just discovered here. Look at this.
We are the new mechanics.
Aye.
Not even the
And
new
this-
fucking mechanics.
But the looks of the street was stripped also. Yeah, well done, Cape Town's mechanics, well done.
This is the mechanics.
So there we go, guys. That's the starter. We just took it out of the car. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it right at the back. Yeah, this is like a really impossible spot to work in. We need to sort out this leak here as well because it's quite wet at the bottom. So what we found out is the leak is coming from the, so we're gonna try and clean up everything and see if we can stop that leak. But furthermore, guys, yeah, how you like my rams though? Brody, I can't dali any money. Car dog. So yeah, guys, with ample tools and my toolbox is at home, we managed to get the starter out. This was a very unplanned thing, but hoe sê jy? Was hy 'n tough job geweest?
Nee, not really. Makkelijk.
Ja, maar nou moet ons net die starter reg kry gewoon.
Weet mos, colour is in the toolbox, it is marker away.
Yeah, colored mark away. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We're gonna get the starter repaired. We're just going to go get the brush kit because the starter is just swinging for it sounds like the brush is done, so we're just going to repeat and then give it a nice clean the bottom end of the car, and then yeah, put it back in. Skilani mana, laat wat jy nie verstaan nie. So yeah guys, I managed to fit back the starter and all the cabling. It was quite a mission, but okay. Let's see if the alternator mechanic slash starter mechanic did this thing. Hey, she starts. So we got the car started. Started seems fine, and my dad is supposed to be getting the bucket done. There's a under compartment shield there for the oil leaks. We do go to, you know, people, and they complain that these vans leak. This is an old truck already, so you would get that leaks. And to repair those type of seals and those things is quite expensive, and you know you have to rip apart off of the engine just to get there. But furthermore, this car is done. Future content on my car coming. I know that car's been quiet. I haven't been doing anything with it really besides body work, but I haven't put that on a video because it's quite boring and I don't want you to get bored of that content. But I am gonna make a video of the respray. And yeah, it is a race build, so it's not gonna be stance worthy or you know that type of thing. We will be racing the car. It's a dedicated race car. Put the car as a race car and not as a stance type of car. There is another car on its way for that type of thing. But yeah guys, I hope you guys like the content. Please like, share and subscribe for future videos. It helps us a lot as well. And yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. Api ukou. Rumput Oh, you mad?
Cowboy.
You are sideways, brother.
Nah, too much.
Ja, dan is to die for. Die uit is so small. Beams.
This is the rhythm of the This is the rhythm of the love you
Umidadang daw nito steroids na sa dugo. You're fed up now!
Killer.